Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class A Kalaiva. Shall we start the lesson children? See, today we are going to see the class 1 topic is EVS, topic is lesson 3 the clothes we wear, the clothes we wear. See, shall we start the lesson? See here, why do we need clothes? Why do we wear clothes? Why animals are not wear the clothes? Why are human beings alone wear the clothes? Because animals are having the fur, no, they are having fur. Fur means the hair like structure they having, no, some fur hair is present their body, no. So they have a natural protection from their body. So they no need to wear the cloth. But we have no hair like that, a strong hair, and then even they are having the strong thick skin. But we are having very sensitive and thin skin. So we want to protect our body from the surrounding. So that's why we need wear cloth. See, why do we wear cloth? See here. See, we wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. Why do we cover our body means, I told you animals are having natural cover. Natural cover means they are having the fur on their skin. The thick fur is there, so they are covered at body. Then they are having the thick skin, so the skin also protect their body. But we are having very thin skin, no. That's why we should cover our body. See, these clothes protect us from hot sun. If you can stand without dress from the front of the sun, in the afternoon 12 o'clock you can stand without dress in the sun. No, we cannot stand the front of the sun because the hot we cannot accept. Our skin is very sensitive. So then cold wind. If you are feeling very cold means without dress we can stay there. No, if you are feeling very cold means we wearing the extra dress also, extra coats, sweaters like that we wearing, no, because we cannot accept that temperature. So that's why we are covering our body from the using the cloths. Then bites, rain, insects bites. If you are not wearing the dress means some insects may bite sit on the skin and they may bite. So we should cover our body to protect our body from hot sun, cold wind, and then insects bite. Insects bite. Are you clear children? Why do we wear the cloth? We wear the cloth. We should wear the cloth to cover our body. The clothes protect us from hot sun, cold wind, rain, and then insects bite. So we should cover our body to protect from these natural things, isn't it? Then clean cloth make us look smart. Is it or not? If you are going outside, somebody is wearing the very dirty and poor dress means you are looking like that person, or somebody is wearing the extra costly jewels, clean dress, president washed dress means you are looking you are like to see that person or this person. Always we are looking like a smart person, no. How do we look like a smart? If you are wearing clean dress, neat dress only make our personality smart. So clean clothes make our body smart, make our the personality smart, isn't it? Then see, where do clothes come from? We saw why do we wear the cloth? Okay, how do we get the cloth? Where the cloths come from? We get the cloths from two sources. What are the sources? See here, one is the plant source, another one is the animal source. So we get the cloth from plant source and animal source. What are the plant source? See here, we get the cotton. We get the cotton cloths, no? cotton clads from the cotton plants. We get the cotton from cotton plants. Then we get the wool from sheep. Sheep is the animal, no, and then some other skin, some other animal skin also used to make the cloths and some other accessories they are making use, no. So we get the cloth from two things. One is the plant source, another one is the animal source. Plant means we get the cotton cloths. This cotton cloths come from the, what is that, cotton plants. See, it is the cotton plant. This plant is called the cotton plants because it producing, we can see some seeds, no. This seeds, inside of the seed it has like this cottons. It looks like a fruit, no, but actually if a fruit means we are thinking fruit means, if we feel the fruit means it we are having some fleshy skin and then one seed will be there, many fruits will be look like that only, no. But this plant having like this soft fluffy things, it is called the cotton. This cotton only used making the thread. The thread is there, weaving the thread and then make the like this cotton cloth. We are wearing the pure white cotton cloth, so many colors of cloths is there. This, so it is the cotton cloth. Okay, clear? Then jute cloth we are using, no, jute bags, jute things we are using, no, that also comes from the plant. Next one, animals thing. What are the animals thing? We are using the sweater, no. In the winter season we are using the sweater, no. This sweater comes from the sheep, because it comes from the sheep. How do we get the sheep from the wool? This cloth means, see, I told you, no, animals are naturally they cover their body some other fur, no. This is called the fur. The fur means the small hair like structures is there, no, it is called the fur. So it has the natural protection to their body. Okay, this fur is, they removed, the human beings are removed this fur and then this fur is making like a thread. This thread is used to making this sweater. So it is called the woolen cloth, isn't it? See, different types of cloth based on the season. What are the seasons? Seasons are 5 types. We know that, no. What are the seasons? Summer season, and then winter season, summer, winter, and then autumn, spring, and then rainy season. Rainy season is also called monsoon season. So seasons are 5 types. What are they? Summer season. Summer means we know that it is very hot. So it is the summer season. Then next one is the winter season. Very cold season is called winter season. Then autumn season. Autumn season means the leaves are shedding the sometime, no, that is the autumn season. Next is the spring season. Spring season means it comes between the gap of the winter. After the winter it is called the spring season. Next one is the rainy season. Rainy means we are getting the rain, no, that is rainy season. Rainy season is also called monsoon season. So based on these 5 types of the season, we wearing the different clothes, isn't it? We are wearing the same cloth in every season? No, we are using different cloths in different season. We have to see in what are the different cloths we are using in different seasons. See, first one we have to see summer season. We know very well summer means it is very dry and hot. So we are feeling so thirsty and then we have so many itches on our body. So we should wear very light cloth. The season already is dry, no? So we should wear the cool cloth. What is the cool cloth means? We saw that, no, cotton plants. That cotton cloth is very cool. It make our body cool. That's why we should wear the cotton cloths during this summer season. Because the season is very hot and dry. So we want to keep our body cool. That's why we want to wear very cool cloth, that is cotton cloth. Because the dark cloth and dark color cloths, they can absorb the sunlight. They can absorb very strong sunlight. If the sunlight they absorb means our skin may fall, the skin cells may fall. So they get the spoiling and then they are damaged. So we have to protect our body from the sunlight. That's why we wear this white cotton cloths. This white cotton cloths, they reflect the sunlight. They reflect the sunlight, so our body may be protected from the sunlight, isn't it? See, the cotton cloths keep our body cool. See, next one, woolen cloths. Next we have to see woolen cloths. Woolen cloths we wear in winter season. During the winter season, we should wear the woolen cloth. What is the winter season? Winter season means very cold season is called the winter season. Why do we wear the woolen cloth during winter season means already the climate is very chillness, isn't it? So, if the chill climate may make the blood circulation it will be struggle. Blood circulation may be struggle, so we cannot do our activities normally. So, we should make our body hot because the climate is chill. So, we should protect our body from this chillness. So, we should wear cotton cloths. This cotton cloths keep our body heat. Listen, how the climate is there, we should keep our body from the climate. If the how summer season means it is hot, no, so we should keep our body cool. That's why we are in cotton cloth. The winter season means the climate is very chill, so we should keep our body heat. Then only we can maintain our body temperature, isn't it? So, woolen cloths make our body warm. That's why we wearing woolen cloths during the winter season. Listen, third one is the rainy season. Rainy season is also called monsoon season. I told you, no. During the rainy season, what cloth we were wearing? We wear some materials. What are the materials? Raincoats. We wearing the raincoats, no, because we are going in the rain means we may wet from the rain. We may get the some cold, fever. We will affect from there, no. So we have to protect our body from the rain. So we should wear the raincoats. And then using umbrella, in some other places, some people are wearing gumboot and then gloves like that, isn't it? See, during the rainy season, this girl is wearing the raincoat, she is wearing the gumboots like that, no. So this raincoat is made up of plastic and rubber. It made up of plastic or rubber. This plastic and rubber protect our body from the wet. It can make our body from the wet because water cannot enter through in this plastic material. So this raincoat make our body from wet, isn't it? So the raincoat make our body, make us dry because raindrops cannot enter into this raincoat because it is made up of plastic and rubber, no. This material never allow to enter the raindrops into the inside the body. So we wearing this raincoat and gumboots, some mufflers like that, isn't it? See, next one, uniform. What is uniform? See, uniform. Uniform means, uni means same, form means appearance. If you should like a same appearance, all should say looking like a same appearance. Where we are looking like that, where we are doing like this means in the school. Why in the school children are wearing uniform means all the children may look in the same appearance. That's why we wearing the uniform in the school. Apart from the school, some other peoples also wearing uniform. Who is wearing uniform? Based on their work, some peoples are using uniform on their working place, isn't it? What are they means? One is uniform, we saw that, no, school children are wearing uniform. Then policeman. policeman, fireman, and then who is that? Postman, and then soldiers. They are wearing uniform based on their job. Then doctors, nurse, they are also wearing uniform based on their job. Why doctors, nurses are wearing white clothes means white clothes make our body cool, as well as it makes it looks smart. So white means peaceful. So they want to treat the patients like a peaceful, no, that's why they are wearing white dress. Then policeman, like fireman, postman, many of them wearing some other colors of the dresses. So uniform means it looks, uni means same, form means appearance, the same appearance we have to see look like a same appearance, so we should wear the uniform. Some people wear uniform to their work, whose means example nurse, nurse is wearing uniform, policeman, and then school children, they are wearing uniform. Okay children, this lesson is over. We will see the next lesson. Thank you children.